This video I will show you how to turn on Private album on Samsung One UI 8. You can see here. Okay. Let's go. First, open your gallery on your Samsung and then click Menu. Now click Settings. Okay, scroll up and you can see About Gallery. And this is gallery version. Click the version number 10 times. Okay, go back and then scroll up. You can see Gallery Labs. Then turn on Private album. Go back, go home and then reset your gallery. Open your gallery and then select your photos. Now click More and you can see Move to Private album. Click Menu and then click Private album and using your PIN or your fingerprint to unlock. And here you can see your photo. Okay, successful. Thank you for watching.